Okay, we're going to do a video on how can a criminal defense lawyer help you. There's many ways that we can help. The first way is to advise you before the police come calling. Sometimes clients are feeling anxious, people have made accusations, but the police are not yet involved. And so it can be helpful sometimes to contact a criminal lawyer just to understand what your options are if the police do call. There can be mistakes made as early as speaking with police and giving statements to police, which is generally discouraged. Not in all cases, but in many cases. So the first major time is before the police are even involved. The second time is once the police have actually called you. So you know that they want to speak to you, then for sure you should be speaking to a criminal defense lawyer. They can help advise you on what to say, if anything at all. The next time would be after you've been arrested, sometimes even at the police station. If you're in custody, they've arrested you, they've taken you downtown, and you get your lawyer call. It's important at that time, if you haven't already, to get some legal advice to understand the interview and that kind of thing, as well as to discuss the possibility of bail. So clearly criminal defense lawyers can assist with bail. If the person is held by the police and is not released automatically, then that person, especially if they have no criminal record, will be eager to get out of jail as fast as possible. Sometimes you have to fight for it, and that process is called bail. So certainly we could advocate on your behalf in court at a bail hearing if required. So that's the next time. The bulk of what we do is people have been arrested, they've been charged, and they've been given a court date, and they've been released by police. So they go home, they go to bed, they wake up the next day, they find us, and they reach out and they call us. So at that point, we know for sure you have a court date, we know you have work to do, and so at that point, clients will hire us, and we begin the full criminal defense process, where we get the evidence called disclosure, we review it, we meet with you, we explain to you what your risks are, what the costs are going to be. We advocate on your behalf to the Crown Attorney and to the judge. We appear in court for you throughout that process, and ultimately advise a course of action with its related costs, and ultimately the client decides. If you decide to have a trial, we appear in trial with you. We're there every step of the way. If you choose to plead guilty, then you go to court. We're there with you every step of the way. And of course, if you are dissatisfied with the outcome, you can also consider an appeal, which we could potentially help with as well. So those are the ways that we can help. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.